Notice, look, in life, what to do when a zipper breaks. Today, I'm sharing some old craftsman's techniques for fixing zippers. First, for a zipper like this with missing teeth in the middle, it's basically unusable. Actually, repairing it is quite simple. First, observe and find that two teeth are missing. Then use pliers to remove the top stopper of the zipper and set it aside for later use. Next, continue using the pliers to remove one tooth from the top. To keep the teeth balanced on both sides, another tooth needs to be added from the opposite side of the zipper. Use the same method. First remove the stopper, then remove the tooth. Once everything is done, replace the missing teeth with the ones you removed, insert them into the gap, adjust the distance between them, and use pliers to secure them tightly. Then reinstall the stopper you removed, and you're all set. Not only is the zipper as good as new, but the removed teeth won't affect its normal use. Second, for a situation where the zipper pull has fallen off, it's also easy to handle. Use a utility knife to cut open one side of the bag and take out the two chains inside. Then adjust the zipper position and reassemble the pull from one end of the chain. Insert both sides of the chain into the pull and it can be used normally. If the pull is already damaged, you can also use this method to replace it. Finally, sew the open chain back together, and it's all done. Third, for a situation where the bottom stopper of the zipper is damaged, you can easily fix it with tools. Cut off the excess part and use tweezers to roughen the hardened fabric strip. Then prepare a plastic cup, cut a piece from the top with scissors, place the plastic piece at the stopper position, drop some 502 glue on it, wrap the stopper, and use pliers to clamp it tightly for shaping. Once the glue is completely solidified, remove the wrapped plastic piece, sand it down a bit, and the stopper can be used normally. Fourth, when the top stopper of the zipper falls off, the zipper can easily be pulled out from the top without any block. You can prepare a rivet. Use a tool to remove the cap part, flip the cap position, and reinsert the rivet. Then use pliers to cut off a section from the top and trim a part to create this effect. Then insert it at the top of the chain and secure it firmly, and it can serve as a stopper. How do you feel about today's zipper repair techniques? If you liked it, feel free to like and follow. See you next time.